This is the Hill Country White Rain Lily. It can grow to be 5 to 9 inches tall. It is a perennial, so it comes back rather than needing to be replanted. And something really cool about these flowers is it can go without water for an extended period of time. Instead of dying, it'll go dormant. And then when we get heavy rains in the spring, summer, or fall, it really doesn't matter. They'll pop back up. And they only live for about 2 days. And then they start to turn pink and fade away, wilt away. And then they come back and do it all over again next year.